the leading AI grading platform trusted by 55,000 plus educators worldwide. Grading can be a daunting task, but with EssayGrader.ai, we hope we made it a bit easier and a bit more efficient for you. One of the commonly requested features from our user community was the ability to recreate their existing rubrics on EssayGrader. I'm so excited to introduce this significant update to our platform called Advanced Rubrics. With Advanced Rubrics, you can now recreate your rubrics using in the classroom onto our platform with no limits whatsoever. Our new feature offers absolute customization, allowing you to add various grading criteria and tailor the descriptions and scores to suit every nuance requirement. Without further ado, let's jump into the demo of the feature. So everyone's familiar with this dashboard interface, right? So let's go to Rubrics. Let's start creating a new rubric. Now we have two kinds of rubrics, simple and advanced. Simple replaced what used to be custom rubrics. If you're in a hurry wanting to create a rubric which doesn't require adding criteria descriptors, only have scores up to 6 points, simple rubric is your perfect option. But if you want to recreate exactly on EssayGrader and doesn't want to leave any ambiguity for the EssayGrader platform when grading the essay, advanced rubric is your option to go with. So let's recreate a rubric here. For this demo purpose, I am just creating a grade 7 expository rubric. So expository rubric, I just took the title from here. So now let's start building our rubric. Let's start with the criteria here. So the first thing is purpose and structure. So let's take purpose and structure, enter it into the criteria title, and then let's enter what needs to be demonstrated within the essay to get this grade. So let's start, that's 4 points. Next one is central idea is focused on the task, paragraph, so on and so forth. So that's 3 points. Let's go for the next one. Central idea may be unclear, that's 2 points. The next criteria descriptor is central idea may be absent, so that's 1 point, right? So you created criteria title. Now let's add another criteria here. So the next criteria would be development, and then you repeat the process. You start with the descriptor for 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1, right? So this will take a few minutes, but once you set this rubric, you're off to the races. You will start grading essays the same way you would grade them, and the result is a highly accurate grade. So I already created this rubric for this demo. Now let's go and start grading our essays. Make sure you're on custom rubrics, rubric grade 7, 10 best writing rubric, bulk files. I'm going to choose a few files at once. Open and grade essay. So all the essays are uploaded onto the platform. Remember that this will take a bit longer than 30 seconds because now our rubrics are larger and the AI model will take its time to go through the rubric, then go through the essay to give accurate grade at the end. So let's just give it a minute. In our tests, we have seen that this grading would take anywhere between 30 seconds to almost 90 seconds. So let's just keep an eye on it. In our tests, about 90% of the grades that the EssayGrader platform has given the students was similar to what the teachers were giving for these essays. So few essays were already graded. So let's go and look at the essay feedback form. So evaluation for purpose and structure, the student has gotten 4 out of 4 points. EssayGrader platform has given a clear analysis on what was written well in the essay and why the student has received 4 points. Then there were also some suggestions on how to make the essay even better. Same for development, same for language. Overall grade, essay errors, error report, we have grammar errors, spelling errors, sentence structure flaws, coherence gaps, clarity issues, right? So it took all of those things and it talked about the impact it is making on the reader and also the suggestion on how to improve the error. So positive feedback. We want to keep making the product better for you. So just go and click how many stars you would give for this feedback document. There you have it, your own AI grading assistant that is highly accurate, and we hope you will take advantage of this feature. Remember that this feature is available only for Pro and Premium plan subscribers.